Good morning, children. This is Venkatachalam, your science teacher. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, medicinal plant, mushroom cultivation, hydroponics, aeroponics, aquaponics. First one, medicinal plant. In history of medicinal plant is a old one. In a history of human being, the most of the medicines are obtained either directly or indirectly from the plants. All the major system of medicine such as Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy are used the drugs it is obtained from the plants and animals. These drugs are medicinal plant or secondary metabolics. The plant reproduce primary metabolic for their own living. Example, carbohydrate, amino acid, etc. The secondary metabolic for the production, competition and special interaction. Example, alkaloid. The phytochemistry is a study of phytochemical, which are chemical substances derived from the various parts of the plant. We see one by one. First one, Katralai. It is aloe vera. The chemical drug is anthraquinone. The parts are leaves. It cures that heal wounds, skin disease, cancer, etc. Second one is Tulasi. The botanical name is Ocimum sanctum. The drug is essential oil. The useful part is leaf of the plant. It cures cold, fever and skin disease. Next one, Coriandrum. Coriandrum sativum. It treats digestive issues. To treat the measles, hemorrhage, toothache, worm and joint pain, as well as infection caused by bacteria and fungus. The useful part in the whole plant, particularly leaves of the plant. Children, the next herbal plant is Vinca rosea. The botanical name is Catharanthus rosas. In Tamil, it is called Nithya Kalyani. The medicinal drug is alkaloid. The useful part, whole plant. Normally, it is cure in muscle pain, depressions, and particularly in cancer and leukemia, and also control the nose bleeding and gum. And it is normally used in a mouth ulcer and sore throat in a villages. The next one is Thylamaram, Eucalyptus globulus. The drug is essential oil. The part used in plant leaf. Normally it cure fever and headache. Next one is Papali. Botanical name is Carica papaya. The drug is papain. The useful part leaf and seed, and it is cure the dengue fever. The last one is Cinchona maram. Cinchona officinalis is the botanical name of the plant. The medicine is quinine. The useful part, the plant bark of tree, and it cure malaria and pneumonia. Children, the next topic is mushroom cultivation. The mushroom cultivation is a technology of growing mushroom using a plant, animal and industrial waste. This technology has gained importance of worldwide because it is a dietary fiber and protein value. The mushroom is a fungi. It belongs to the Basidiomyces group. It is highly rich in protein, fiber, vitamin and mineral. These are more than 3,000 types of mushroom. Example, button mushroom, Agaricus bisporus, oyster mushroom, Pleurotus species, the paddy straw mushroom, etc. The cultivation take 1 or 2 months. The major stage of mushroom cultivation we see one by one. First one is composting. The compost is prepared by the mixing of paddy straw with a number of organic material like a cow dung and inorganic fertilizer. It is kept about nearly 50 degrees Celsius for 1 week. Spanning. The span is a mushroom seed. It is prepared by growing a fungal mycelium in a grain under a sterile condition. The span is sown on a compost. Third process, casing. The compost is covered within a thin layer of soil. It gives a support to the growing mushroom, and also it provides the humidity and help to regulate the temperatures. Fourth step, pinning. The mycelium start to form a little bud which is developed into a mushroom. The little mushroom is a white and a button shape. It called pins. Finally, harvesting. The harvesting mushroom nearly they grow better in a 15 degrees Celsius to 23 degrees Celsius. They grow in a 3 centimeter in a week, which is a normal size for the harvesting. In the third week, the first flush mushroom can be harvested. It be preserved. It is a final step in this process. Preservation. Discolorations, weight, flavor, the loss are the main problem during the harvesting of mushroom. The following methods are used to increasing the life: freezing, drying, canning, vacuum cooling, and gamma radiation, and storing at a 50 degrees Celsius. Children, next one is hydroponics. The hydroponics is a method of growing plant without soil by using mineral nutrient solution in a water. The containers are made up of glass, metal, or plastic. They range in a size from a small pot for an individual plant, a huge tank for a large scale growing. It is demonstrated by a German botanist, Julius van Sachs, in the year of 1980. The hydroponic is successfully employed for a commercial production of seedless cucumber, tomato, etc. The plants are suspended with the roots and submerged in a water that containing a plant nutrients. The roots are absorb water and nutrients but do not perform any anchoring the function. Therefore, the plant must be mechanically support from above. So what are the importance of hydroponics? You know that it is conservation of water and nutrients and control the plant growth. In desert and Arctic region, hydroponics can be an effective alternative method. Okay children, the next one is aeroponics. Aeroponic system is a high tech of a hydroponic gardening. The growth medium in the type is primarily air. The roots hanging in the air and are mixed with a nutrient solution. The misting is usually done for every few minutes. As the roots will dry out rapidly, the mixing cycles are interrupted. A timer controls the nutrients pump much like other type of hydroponics. Except the aeroponic system needs a short cycle timer, that is run a pump for a few seconds every couple of minutes. The next one is aquaponics. Aquaponics is a system of a combination of a conventional aquaculture with hydroponic in a symbiotic environment in which plants are fed with their aquatic animal excreta or waste. These waste are broken down by a nitrifying bacteria initially into nitrates, and later the nitrates that are utilized by the plants as the nutrients. These wastes are utilized and water is recycled back to the aquaculture system. Aquaponics consists of two main parts: aquaculture for resisting aquatic animal like a fish, and hydroponics for existing plants. The green leafy vegetable like a Chinese cabbage, coriander and spinach, and vegetables like a tomato, capsicum, chili, bell peppers, sweet potato, cauliflower or can be grown in a aquaponic. Okay children, let's continue in the remaining portion in next class. Take care. Bye.